Hi, this is Kara, and I'm here with an Etsy shop update. I have added some new things to my Etsy store, and I wanted to take some time and kind of go through them. There's pictures, but I feel like it's always better to kind of just do a show and share kind of thing. All right, so I have 20 bundles of fabric stacks in my Etsy shop. They are $5.50. They're a half pound, so they're $5.50 plus shipping, and they're all a half pound. And I have a couple out to kind of show you the varying fabrics that you will get in the scrap packs. Here's some lace. There's a piece of lace with this one, and some pink, yellow. I use this yellow in my retro journal. This goes really well, I think. Yeah, with the garden and different fabrics within. So there's a lot of fun spring fabrics, and they're all different sizes. Here is a city skyline. This one would be cute for a spring or Easter journal with the bunny. And there's a bunny up there. There's some purple. There's another fun retro kind of fabric right here. It's a cool pattern. This would be really fun in a like a floral or even like a French or country kind of journal. Here's some hearts for Valentine's Day. This could be, this plaid could be Christmas. It could be all sorts of, this could go different ways. Here's some florals, again for spring. Fun funky one right there. I love this blue. Really fun for a garden. Another fun bright one. Here's some pink, has glitter in it. It'd be fun in a girl's journal. It's more of that bright pink. This is fun. This is black. I think I used some of this in my October journal, but this could also be used in like a farm journal because it has kind of that denim look. Here's yellow. Another one that would be good in a vintage style. Some apples. Here's some red and white. Could be in a Christmas journal. Some brown gingham. Here's a big piece of this. You have a teacher. It's ABC 1, 2, 3, and there's 2 different pieces in that one. Also fun for a country recipe kind of journal even. Here's some brown floral, very retro. Garden fabric, floral, a funky green, some more floral. This is a flannel, fun and green. Got little pieces from what I cut. And here's another couple pieces of green floral. And some sunflower. Another retro kind of look. This one was dyed. The batik. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right. Purple. So in this half pound, there's a ton of scraps. So if you're just starting out with junk journaling, this is a great way to get some fun different fabrics and not have to pay for a whole yard. And then this one, also with sunflower. All right, so that's the first sample. And then this other one I pulled because there's some other fabrics that we might not have seen. And they will all come in a plastic bag so that if there's any weather, it won't affect your fabric. Here's some teapots. More floral. Another retro floral. Some white, which is good for backing. Here's some more of that green. This is like a fabric ribbon, perfect for a farm journal. More florals. Red could be used in Christmas. There's more of that dyed. I've seen that one. Some white, also perfect for backing. A tan and black gingham. Some red. This would be fun in a girl's journal. I saw a piece of this upholstery fabric in that other pack. Some fun kitten. Some orange and white gingham. This one has lace. Pretty big piece. Like I said, all 20 are varying. Some of them might have overlapping fabrics, but no two packs are exactly the same. So it has a nice size. I really like this fabric. It's really pretty. I use this in a red, white, and blue journal. Here's some smaller pieces. I've also used this in my retro orange journal. I love this. Some yellow gingham, and then this one has this really big, couldn't bring myself to cut it, so I put it in there, but look how big this piece is. It's beautiful. Isn't that fun? Very cool. And this is upholstery quality, so this would make a great journal cover. And again, that's the fabric in this half pound. Okay, so like I said, there's 20 fabric packs for $5.50 plus shipping. All right, let's move on to the next thing. So I've been busy, look at all this, sewing scraps into fabric ribbon. So you will get 5 ribbons. And again, they'd be all varying. You can message me and tell me, hey, you know, I was interested in a certain color, and I can try and give you the best I have in those colors. There's a lot of bright colors that I have. I have reds and whites, which would be good for Christmas. A lot would be great for spring and fun and different funky kinds of journals. So those, again, 5, and I want to say, I think it was $2.50. Maybe it's $2, but 5 of those for $2 or $2.50 plus shipping. All right, so that's the fabric. And then I also have recently listed stamps in the shop, and it comes in with the glassine envelope, and they're all different, and they're from all over the world, and I have 25 in a pack, and they're for $4, and I think it's about 50 cents shipping because I'm able to send it in a small envelope. But let's see, like this one's from Russia, 1962. United States with this one. Not sure where that one's from. India. But I have ones from all over the world. So 25 stamps for $4, and it includes the little envelope. And right now I have 4 listed, but I'm pretty sure if I sell those out, I have more. I just didn't want to do too many and then not have enough packs. Because I've only made 4 of these up. Anyway, so I have 4 currently listed, 25 stamps for $4. If you have stamps or you're not into stamps, I also have the envelope glassine bags. So these are not vintage, these are new, but I love these for junk journals. You can do so many things with those, and I have a pack of 5. And again, I'm confusing the ribbon. $2 or $2.50. I can have the information linked below along with my Etsy shop. And then I also have larger glassine bags, and these are 6 by 4 inches. And these are perfect. Oh, my little thing, so I didn't have the glare. But these are perfect. Let me get out a journal. To toss in either a traveler's notebook or a regular junk journal. And you can decorate them and then add them, and you can put pictures and notes in there, so that's a perfect size. All right, so again, you get 5 in the pack. I think I have 20 of these available. All right, moving on. So I've had these listed, but if you're new to my channel, you might not have known about them, and I kind of wanted to talk about them. In my shop, I also have junk journal kits, and they're all based on color. So like this one, I'll just kind of take it apart, is the purple themed. Now, what's really cool is it has authentic retro stuff in here. So there's wallpaper samples. That one's $19.95. That's not that old. But some of them, and some of the packs, they're like from the 60s. Pretty cool. And then I pulled papers from my books that match the theme. So there's purple and purple. This one, the florals are purple. Purple here. This is from a sewing book. It's from a children's book, purple. And then I have music sheets in the pack, recipe book pages, science book pages, or this is actually from a oil painting book. So this one has the pages plus the wallpaper, and it also has fabric with the color. So here's the different fabrics, all different purples and shades of purple. Like this one, all different sizes, so you could decorate, make pockets. Not fun. All right, so along with the fabric and the pages and the wallpaper, there's also an ephemera pack. This one has some purple stamps included, and different pieces that also have the purplish color. An atlas and quotes. So there's the ephemera pack. These little plastic pieces would be fun glued on like buttons, kind of. Oh, come on. Get back in. And then along with that, there's buttons that match the color. So this one has, this could be your closure. That would be really cool. And then there's different purple buttons that are also in the pack. And then the last thing that's included are lace and trims and ribbons. So there's whites and purples, and pom-poms. So there's all different trims that can be used in the journal. All right, so they're all different based on color, and each one is unique in the items that it goes with it. Because, like for instance, the red, right here is my red. I have 2 red ones left. And you can see they have the same kinds of items, however, they're not the same. So like this one and this one have lace and trims, but they're not exactly the same. And same with the wallpaper and the ephemera. But they both have wallpaper and book pages. And this one has a bingo card, and then ephemera and fabrics. And this one is, so a little look at that ephemera. So I have 2 red ones left. Let's just see. 2 reds. This would be fun to make a Christmas journal with. 2 purple. I have a green one. A yellow one. Orange. Orange. Blue and blue. So there we go. And these are also all listed in my Etsy shop. And I'll have the link and the prices listed below as well. And let me show you what they make. If you have, hold on. Sorry for stepping away. But if you have a book, the kits have things you can make a tassel, or this is kind of my color retro journals. This is the last one in stock. I might need to make some more because they're really fun. But you have fabric that you can do like a Franken cover, buttons, ribbon for your open and closure. You have lace to add to your pages. You can use it for pockets. Yeah, so that's kind of why I made the packs, to kind of go along with my color journals that I made, which were super fun to make. This is made out of wallpaper and it's a pocket. So yeah, here's another one. This is fabric. Yeah, so fun. So this is also listed in my Etsy shop right now. That was a longer video than I thought. If you're with me to the end, thanks so much for watching, and I hope you check out the Etsy store. If you have questions or comments, please leave them below or message me in Etsy, and have a wonderfully crafty day. Okay, bye-bye.